experiment is PD control for desired transient response. So we'll open that folder and now we'll run the application. Initially it will be running. We'll stop it. We'll go to the. We will initialize the values. Okay. Now again we are going to enter all the parameters. Here also the parameters, whatever is given to you, you have to enter. Okay, we are using the same parameters. The examination, everything will be clear. Whatever parameters will be given to you, you have to enter. That's all. Okay. So here again actuator A. What is the value? 1. Okay, we will enter that. So here 1. This is 4. This is 0.1 and this is 0.31. Initial lights 1.75. Okay, here both PD controller is there, proportional controller and derivative controller is there. Now 2 types of controller. What is proportional controller? The error will change proportionately. Error will get multiplied. If the error is 2, it will multiply with the whatever the feedback output you are getting. Okay, that is proportional controller. 2 into whatever is there, it is product. Okay, whereas the derivative is what? It is the rate of change of error. It is the rate of change of error. It is with respect to time. It is a differentiate. PD derivative controller. Now it is a combination. Both actions will be there. Proportional action will also be there. Derivative action will also be there. Okay, both will be used now. Okay. Now initially 0 we will give. Okay. Now we will run the experiment. Okay. So nothing we are getting whatever the response is there. There is nothing response we are getting. Okay. So now you will be given these values. What value you have to enter? Again KD value and KP value and TD value will be given. Proportional gain values and derivative time value will also be given. Okay. So now I am going to enter. This will be constant. Proportional gain is constant. I am keeping it a large positive value, which previous experiment I told you. Now I got to know that large positive value means stable. System is stable. Okay. So I am maintaining that one. Okay. So I am getting into the experiment. See, large positive value I am going to give 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now I will start from this minimum value. It is there. So I will start 0. Start from 0. Okay. So here what you have to observe? Settling time. Observe the settling time. See, this is the settling time here in the graph. From the graph, the value is also given. It is 2.3 seconds. 2.33 seconds. Settling time. Okay. Now I will increase this derivative values, time values, derivative time value. I am going to increase that. Next is 100. Okay. So now what happened to the settling time? 1.9. It became 1.9. So what happens? Increased or decreased? Decreased. Okay. So now next value will go, that is 200. So again, what is happening to the settling time? Decreasing. Okay. As your derivative constant is increasing, derivative time is increasing, the settling time decreases. Okay. So with the help of the PD controller, what we can say that with the help of a PD controller for transient response, okay, of this magnetic levitation experiment, what happens? The settling time can be reduced. Okay, for the given parameters. If I change the parameters, then there's a different thing. Okay, so for the given parameters, we'll just talk about the given parameters. Okay, so settling time decreases. Okay, likewise for all the given values you can do. Okay, this is about the PD control for the desired transient response. Okay. Okay.